Good morning, evening, afternoon, everybody. Time for another cooking video. I am making, well, it's already in the oven, but I'm going to go ahead and review it. I bought this from Costco. It's rolled up pizza dough. It's a thin crust. And I can't remember the price it was, but it comes four in a box in the section where the frozen pizzas are. And this is what one of the pizza toppings, pizza bags look like. It's, let's see, 150 calories per serving. And 4 servings per container, which is a quarter of a crust. A serving is a quarter of a crust. And so it's got 4 grams of fat, 1.5 grams of saturated fat, and trans fat 0, cholesterol 0. Which is good, and 410 milligrams of sodium, and carbohydrates 24 grams, dietary fiber 1 gram, total sugars 1 gram, and that includes 1 gram of added sugars and 4 grams of protein. So this is really not as bad as most frozen pizzas per slice. So all you basically got to do is just preheat the oven. I always preheat it to 425 degrees. And I set the timer for 15 minutes. You roll out the dough. And all you do is just take it off the paper, the parchment paper that's in it. You can even use the parchment paper if you want to on a cooking tray. And then you load up all your toppings, your favorite toppings, and bake it for 14 to 18 minutes. Being the professional pizza maker that I am, I did it for 15 minutes. So we're going to be back. I'm going to show you the finished product before I slice it up, and then we'll go ahead and do a taste test. We'll be right back. Alright, and we are back. And this is the finished product here. So I got some mozzarella sauce on the bottom, a bottom layer of Italian cheese, and then I put the pepperoni on top of that, and then I put the rest of the cheese, the second layer of cheese, Italian cheese, on top of that, and I also added a 5 cheese blend and topped it off with some shredded cheddar cheese. And so we're going to go ahead and cut her up. And I also added some oregano for some little extra flavor. And I have a lot of sauce on here because I like it. Those who know me and seen my videos know I like a lot of sauce. Ooh. Pizza is always good when it's fresh out of the oven. Alright, and there you go. All chopped up. We're going to go ahead and take it to the table. Take a couple of slices, and we'll do a taste test. Alrighty, and here we are, and ready for the taste test. See how thin that crust is? And look on the bottom of it. Golden brown. Perfectly baked. And the sausage is dripping off of it. There you go. See that sauce, that cheese, and the pepperoni? Perfect. I wasn't sure if I would like this or not. This is my third one. And I bought the package about 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks ago. Yeah, about 3 weeks ago. And the first one I made a square pizza. Came out okay. The second one, I did a round pizza, and I decided, and I made my pepperoni on top like normal. And some places do put pepperonis on the bottom of the cheese, so I decided to do that this time. So with this pizza from Costco, I am going to give it a perfect 5 out of 5. Try it for yourself and you can be the judge. I mean, it is good. Very good. Alright, you have a good one. Thanks for watching. Always, thank you for your support.